The purpose of keeping this rally is like to make an awareness for this LGBT community, that is lesbian, gay and bisexual and transgender community in Goa itself. So because there is a there are very lack of awareness in Goa. So for that reason, it's happening in all over India, but it was not happening in Goa. So we are taking a small initiative to make an awareness to an Goan community and Goan people about this community, which is gay, lesbian, bisexual and transgender people, and they are also an important part of a human society. These things we will be carrying on every year. So we are only requesting the community of Goa to respect as a human being, not as a different sexual orientated people or gender bias or something. We're requesting that only. Yeah.
This we are trying to make this pride as an LGBT pride community, just to make sure that everyone knows about us, and we're just making them understand we need equal rights among every individual person out here. They want to make an awareness saying that we are not harmed or either any kind of issues that will be done from us. All we ask you to give us love, we would give you the same love. We expect only love from them, nothing more. Thank you. Good, and I never expected this much of crowd actually, but it's what I expected, and the expectation is even more actually.